Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. There. In simple terms, it means vehicle speed sensor malfunction. This code gets triggered when your car's brain, the powertrain control module or PCM, isn't getting a reliable signal from the vehicle speed sensor, also known as the V. Might act erratically, bouncing around, not working at all, or showing a speed that's clearly wrong. Another big clue is your transmission. If you have an automatic, you might experience harsh or delayed shifting. This is because the transmission control module relies on the speed sensor data to know when to shift gears. Your cruise control might also stop working, and in some vehicles, the anti-lock braking system, or ABS, might get disabled, causing the ABS warning light to come on as well. Now, let's talk about what causes this P0500 code to appear. 2. The most common culprit is a faulty vehicle speed sensor itself. Another frequent cause is wiring issues. The wires leading to the VSS can get frayed, corroded, or even chewed through by rodents. Connectors can become loose or filled with dirt and moisture, interrupting the signal. While it's less common, a failing PCM can misinterpret the VSS signal or fail to process it correctly, leading to the P0500 code. In some cars, especially older ones, a broken speedometer cable could also be the root of the problem. So, you've got the code and the symptoms. How do you go about diagnosing it? First things first, a visual inspection is key. Get under the car and locate the vehicle speed sensor. It's usually mounted on the transmission or transaxle. Check the sensor and its wiring harness for any obvious signs of damage, like broken wires, corrosion, or a loose connection. Make sure the connector is seated firmly and the pins are clean. If a visual inspection doesn't reveal anything, the next step is to test the sensor itself. You'll need a good multimeter for this. You can test the sensor for resistance or, for a more dynamic test, check its voltage output while spinning the wheels. You'll want to consult your vehicle's specific repair manual for the correct procedures and expected values. A good BD2 scanner with live data capabilities is also an incredibly useful tool here. You can monitor the vehicle's speed reading from the PCM in real time. If the scanner shows 0 miles per hour while you're driving, that's a strong indicator that the PCM isn't receiving a signal. Let's talk about fixing the issue. Your diagnosis points to a bad VSS. The fix is straightforward. Replace it. This is usually a simple job that involves removing a bolt or two, unplugging the old sensor, and installing the new one. If the problem is in the wiring, you'll need to repair the damaged section. This might mean fixing a frayed wire, cleaning a corroded connector, or even replacing a section of the harness. The full signs point to a faulty PCM. That's a more complex and expensive repair. After you've performed the repair, whether it's replacing the sensor or fixing a wire. So there you have it, a complete guide to understanding, diagnosing, and fixing the P0500 vehicle speed sensor fault code.